Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Frickworks here. Today we're going to turn a shaving razor handle. I have this shaving kit here. It's a PSI kit, Penn State Industries. It is the safety razor, double-edged safety razor kit. So we're going to turn this blank, kind of a silver, blue, and red, into the handle. Generally I turn these with a little bit of grip kind of on one end so it's easier to grab, because this stuff does turn very slick and polished, so it'll have a little texture on one end to be able to keep a hold of it. But we'll get to turning this and show you the finished razor at the end. Okay, we've got it turned down, sanded and polished, and that looks really nice. I've got a tube in there that's been painted black, and the inside of the blank was painted so that it didn't show through, and it really contrasts behind there very well. So it really pops, kind of keeps that dark sheen on the blue and the red and that silver in there. So I'm going to take it over and get all the hardware installed and show you the final razor. And there you have it, guys. Finished shave brush blank. Needs a razor installed in it so it'll be nice and tight in there, but other than that, this guy looks very nice with all those color swirls in it. Should be no problem holding on to it with the knurls I kind of put in down there. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.